First aid kit. First aid kit and uses. Cotton. To apply antiseptic and clean any wound to disinfect it. To apply creams and ointments to minor injuries with this. Gloves. To prevent direct contact of hand and affected part for minimizing chances of infections. Eye protection. Eye protection provides a barrier to infectious materials entering the eye and is often used in conjunction with other personal protective equipment such as gloves, gowns, masks, or respirators. CPR mask. A pocket mask, or pocket face mask or CPR mask, is a device used to safely deliver rescue breaths during a cardiac arrest or respiratory arrest. CPR masks are used to ensure that infectious diseases, bacteria, blood and other bodily fluids are not transferred from the resuscitator to the patient and vice versa. Scissors. Bandage scissors are often used by nurses and other medical personnel and serve three main functions. Trim bandages to size, remove bandages from an individual, and cut through clothing or gauze. Tourniquet. Tourniquets are an effective method of controlling serious bleeding which may not otherwise be controlled by simple measures, but only if applied effectively. Roller gauze. Roller gauze is used for dressing wounds, packing wounds, and, in combination with flexible medical tape, improvising band-aids. Gauze is a material that is usually used as a way to bandage wounds. This material can be found in various shapes and thickness to cater to individual medical needs. Cotton gauze. Cotton gauze is lightweight and durable, which eases the cleaning of an open wound. They can be found in a sponge version or in the form of a bandage roll. Cotton gauzes can be used as a temporary dressing, but its downfall is that the area of an open wound can also stick to the cotton surface. Paraffin gauze. Paraffin gauze can be used on surface wounds that leak fluids such as burns and minor abrasions. This gauze contains medical-grade paraffin that is helpful in protecting the wound. Gauze pads. Gauze pads and gauze sponges are used for general cleaning, dressings, prepping, packing, and debriding wounds. It can also be used as a temporary absorbent dressing over wounds. Medical tape. Micropore surgical tape is in the multi-purpose class for clinical applications such as blood draws, lightweight dressings, secondary securement of IV lines, and non-critical tubes. Compression bandage. Compression bandages are a common first aid item. They're generally used for applying pressure to the site of an injury or area experiencing swelling. For minor injuries, the bandage should only be used for a few days, assisting with long-term pain management, helping manage blood circulation issues, RICE therapy, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Following a sprain, usually resulting from athletic activity, thermometer, to measure temperature of body. Band-aid. Band-aid waterproof strip helps secures bandages around the wound even when wet. It is useful in minor cuts and injuries. Uses. Secures wounds. Key benefits. Helps avoiding contact of skin with the outer environment. Adheres securely and tears easily. Prevents bacterial growth on the wound or cut. Great to refill first aid kits. Super adhesive and stays long. Tweezers. Uses. To pluck out unwanted hair. To remove unwanted bugs. To remove unwanted foreign objects from the body, such as thorns, splinters, ticks, or even nails. Instant cold packs. Cold packs, also known as ice packs or gel packs, cool objects and the environment around them. Cold packs have applications in the medical industry as a type of first aid to ease pain and lower inflammation. To reduce swelling and relieve discomfort from insect bites to sports injuries. Burn-all cream. Burn-all cream is an effective remedy for first-degree or minor burns. It soothes the skin and produces numbness or cooling action. It has antiseptic and anti-infective properties and is used as a topical antimicrobial agent in first aid antiseptics. It provides protection against skin infections and helps relieve pain and inflammation due to minor cuts, grazes, scrapes, and abrasions. It also relieves pain and itching from insect bites. Oral rehydrating solutions. ORS. The uses of ORS solution: regulate blood sugar levels, boosts production of urine, treat dehydration caused by diarrhea, reduces cloudy urine output, helps to stay hydrated and decrease the risk of high blood pressure. Painkillers. to reduce the pain, although you can't take or give someone an overdose as it can be harmful to health. Pain balm. Uses and benefits of pain relief balms. Reduces aches, pains, and sprains. Splitting headaches. Pain balms are also useful in getting relief from splitting headaches. Helps heal colds and chest congestion. Most strong pain balms help in getting rid of sinus and thoracic congestion. Relieving back pain. You can help get rid of lower back pain by applying pain balm on it. Pain relief spray. Pain relief spray is used to relieve pain and inflammation associated with musculoskeletal disorders, strain, sprain, arthritis, contusion, bruise, post-traumatic pain, and low back pain. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild antiseptic used on the skin to prevent infection of minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It may also be used as a mouth rinse to help remove mucus or to relieve minor mouth irritation, such as due to canker or cold sores. Gingivitis. This product works by releasing oxygen when it is applied to the affected area. The release of oxygen causes foaming, which helps to remove dead skin and clean the area. This product should not be used to treat deep wounds, animal bites, or serious burns. Betadine. Povidone iodine is an antiseptic and disinfectant agent. It is used for the treatment and prevention of infections in wounds and cuts. It kills the harmful microbes and controls their growth, thereby preventing infections in the affected area. The cream is useful to heal second and third degree burns as well. The antibiotic in betadine destroys organisms like viruses, fungus, bacteria, protozoa, and spores on the skin. Dettol, used for gentle antiseptic wound cleansing and antiseptic skin cleansing.